Hey everyone, my name is Rais and I'm from My PPC Man. Today I'm going to talk about how do I handle long buying cycles industries like mattresses. So these are the type of products where people are not actively every month buying it. They like bought it once and don't want to buy it for next couple of years. So who am I is going to talk about this keyword. You might be wondering like why this bound keyword talking about that. So I'm actually Amazon PPC manager and I manage advertising for brands who want to grow their Amazon sales profitably. In last 7 days, by spending $2,300 in ad spend, I have generated $10,000 in sale, and in last 30 days, by spending 11,000 almost $11,000 in sales, I have helped them generate $37,000 in sales. And recently, I started managing Amazon as well. So for this specific brand, we are not putting all the eggs in one basket. Now we are expanding it. So these are the campaign results. We When we actually launch our product on Walmart, this is the first campaign we created last month, and I got access on 19th of August, and I created these campaigns, and you can see with really low and tight budget, I've helped them like by spending $60, had them generate $400 sales, spending $40 and generated $200 in sales, and you can see the ROAS as well. So the point of showing you this, that I know what I am talking about, and if you are selling in this kind of industry, let's improve your Amazon PP strategy. First of all, start with branded keywords. Buying decision in industries like mattresses often take weeks or even months as customer truly research and compare before committing a long-term buying cycle. A long buying cycle is when the decision making process is slow and deliberate. So because it's actually like an investment a customer is doing. He's not buying a product, he is investing for himself and for his family, him or her family. So not everyone wants to buy a mattress every month or every 6 months or every year. They need a good mattress for a couple of years so they can relax and they can get deep rest when they come home after a long day. So definitely you have to keep that in mind. So branded keywords will help you if you have some sort of um, customers. For example, if you are selling mattresses, I am sure you are not only selling mattresses, you are selling pillows and other bed sheets and other things as well, because you need some products which will give revenue on day-to-day basis, and these mattresses, they are actually they will bring in the more profitable sales instead of volume. So for example, Danny's customers do not rush. They want to ensure they are making the right choice for long-term comfort. Danny adapts by being patient with his ads expectation. Understand it takes time for customers to decide. Absolutely, you need to have first of all budget for that, and you need to make sure customer will take their time. So let me lock it right. Create a block. So customer will take time because they think of it as an investment, not a everyday or every month type of product. The second thing is connect relevant shopper searches to your products. Customers are often researching long before they buy. Your goal is to align your ads with their search intent. Targeting people with specific queries like mattress for back pain helps match their needs with your products. Example, Danny targets keywords such as firm mattress back pain to capture customers already narrowing their options. This improves click-through rate and the likelihood of conversion. Absolutely. So if a customer have back pain, they will more likely when they will add this search term into the Amazon bar and your listing comes up. For example, this is your listing, okay, and you have first keyword um mattress for back pain, for example. mattress Mattress for back pain, customer will eventually get attracted to your product listing and they will click on it. So if you see, I added firm mattress here, and you see like there are hundreds, and actually there are thousands of keywords. You will get 9,000 keywords. I haven't filtered out anything yet, and you can see the keyword sales. This keyword have 500,000, more than 500,000 search volume, and it is bringing $1,500 in sales. Queen mattress. Okay. And as we are going down, I sorted it from highest to lowest. You will see the search volume is decreasing, however, as well as the keyword sales as well. So for memory, I do not take it 100%. So these numbers may vary, but I trust these numbers and actually have an idea, because these are not every day or every month type of products. So you can actually assume like around on this keyword they might be getting 10 to 20 sales. So last month was good. They sold for this keyword, got 50 sales. So if you have memory foam mattress king size, this is highly relevant to that specific customer, and customer will eventually buy instead of if we search for firm mattress. Yeah, firm mattress, but what is size of your mattress? Then they will actually start clearing out. They will add filters. So if in Amazon search results you might have seen like there are these filters which Amazon added, and these are the search results. So after adding that firm mattress in the search bar here, they will remember, okay, oh, there are different type of sizes and mattresses I have. So they will add filters, and you have to show up add these kind of keywords, so you will start showing up, and your customer will happily like, click on your product listing. And the third thing is use keyword variation. People search using different phrases. Broadening your keyword approach by incorporating variations ensures your ads reach wider audience. Example, Danny target variations like cooling mattress for women and mattress for stomach sleepers, ensuring he appeals to diverse preferences. So we are not going after the volume game, right? And we need to increase our sales with gradual approach and stay profitable. If you are not profitable and you are targeting everything on every keyword, short, long tail keywords, short tail keywords, but you are not getting the point. People are not going to invest something, even if, if you have a brand which is already have credibility of um, high quality mattresses, then they will actually they won't take too much time. But if you are just starting out and you do not have a lot of brand trust in customers mind, you will get a hard time. So in order to in order to get profitable sales, you need to go after the specific intents. Matters for stomach sleepers. So a stomach sleeper, when they will use this phrase and you have that in your listing and in your title or in your product image, they will eventually relate to that and they will click on the product. So it will increase your CTR, and when your CTR will increase, it will improve your conversion rate as well, CVR. So the fourth point is be strategic with bid adjustments while patience is key. So you need to be patient. You do not want customers, they are seeing a product and eventually buying it. You also need to be strategic with your ad spend, adjust bids on performance, monitoring results and tweaking accordingly to balance cost and visibility. Example, Danny targets keywords such as firm mattress for back pain to capture customers already narrowing their options. This improves click-through rates and likelihood of conversion. Yes, so uh, actually every product is a problem solver. If you are actually a problem solver, customers have a problem of back pain, and your product is solving that. So when when they will add this back pain free mattress or mattress for back pain, you are solving product for that specific customer, and they want to get rid of it. So after exploring other options, they are more targeted now. So if this is a funnel, okay, they are at this stage. Yeah, they actually found out, okay, there are a lot of options, but now I need for my back pain. So now competition is has been decreased, and with the size it is decreased even further. And now people are going somewhere, they have an idea, they have clear vision what they need right now, and that will be your unfair advantage. The fifth is target low cost keywords. Low cost keywords can help you stay visible. So you need visibility in order to sell more without exceeding your budget. Without exceeding your budget. Through they may bring fewer clicks, provide steady cost effective visibility over time. Yes, in long tail keywords, if you see like these keywords, they do not have so many. Yeah, it is actually a great search volume. For example, if I go to the last, so even though they are not showing any kind of search volume here, but people might be searching for it. Okay, and they do not have data. You can search all of these keywords in brand analytics, and you will get a better understanding and better search volume data from there. Okay, you can see like there are 9,000 keywords, and you can filter them out. Let's say search volume. They must have 500 to 1,000. So these keywords, you can see they have really low search volume, and this is yeah. Oh, this is branding keyword which I was talking about. I also saw another one, Jasper King mattress. I think this is um yeah, this it is a branded keyword. Lisa mattress. This is the branded keyword, and it have almost 900 people are searching for this specific brand. Waterproof mattress. You get my point. You know, like if the search volume is decreased, not a lot of people are searching for it, but the people who are searching for it are highly specific. And if you made them feel relevant, and if you made them feel like your product is a solution of their problem, they are gonna instantly buy it. uh Lily mattress, you can see like they are showing up. So they have low cost product as well as they have high end products as well. So you need to, in order to get their trust, you need some low cost products as well, so it will be easier for you to convert them better on this high end product. So you can see these kind of examples will help you to um, make changes in your ad strategy, and it will bring you more profit. And if you need help with that, you can always book a call, link in the description and pin comment, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.